Hi guys. Okay, we're going to carry on with the Halloween stuff today. I know this video doesn't actually go up till Halloween day itself, so you haven't got much time to try it, but we're going to do it anyway, fuck it. It's the last one. We're going to do the jigsaw makeup look, and then we're going to move on to something completely different next week. I was going to do the UV fireworks stuff, but I don't know if I'm doing that now. I think we're going to just go full on Trixxy next week and do some more laughable stuff or something that I've been working on. A bit more comedy style instead of just moving away from makeup for a bit. But anyway, let's get on with this. Let's go. Okay, so that is the finished face. It was really simple one this week actually. Really fucking simple. The foundation went a bit wrong at the beginning because I used the wrong one. Because I'm stupid. I'm gonna go and pop on some clothes and blah blah blah, you know the drill, and I will be right back. And there we have it guys. Here is my jigsaw look. We have the signature bow tie, a white shirt, a black jacket. Can get on without these, obviously. This is what I added myself for another look. Black wig, done basically. So yeah, give it a go. Let me see what you've done. Obviously, like I say, this will go up on Halloween. It's the day itself, so you might not have time to do it for Halloween, obviously. But yeah, still have a go. Let me know what you've done. As always, get me on Facebook, Twitter, which I'll link below. And I'll see you next week for something a bit different. Like I say, we're going to step away from doing the makeup stuff because I'm getting bored now. Okay, well, I'll see you all next week. Bye.